Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's lecture, we are going to dive into one of the most essential feature for building single page application in Vue.js, that is the Vue Router. So Vue Router allows us to navigate between different page or views in our application without refreshing the entire page. So today we'll integrate Vue Router into our to-do app and we'll make it more dynamic and organized. Let's get started. So basically, for routing, Vue has one Vue Router, that is the official client-side routing solution for Vue. So basically, client-side routing is used by single page application to tie the browser URL to the content seen by the user. As user navigate around the application, the URL updates accordingly, but the page does not need to be reloaded from the server. So basically, we'll integrate this in our existing application. We'll see how it works and mm, how we'll integrate that. So for that, first we have to install Vue Router here. So first we'll set up that Vue Router here, then we'll start. So currently we are using Vue 3 option with option API. So here we'll open terminal and we'll install Vue Router. So this is basically command for installing Vue Router. Vue Router 4 we are installing. Okay. So it's installed. Now what we'll do, now what I'm trying to do in our application, currently for whole to-do list one page is there, second for completed to-dos another page is there. So I will route this page to different URL and this to home URL. So let's see how we'll do this by code. So here first we'll create one router folder. Inside src we'll create one directory, we'll name as router. Okay, here I will create one file. I will put this name as index.js or router.js, both we can put. Here we'll create some routing path. So here what, now I'm integrating that Vue Router in our application. So first I have to import Vue from Vue. Okay, then I have to write import Vue Router. Vue Router from Vue Router. Fine. Okay, and I want to use this. So before mount we have to use use. So every plugin you have to write app.vue.use before view mount. Okay, so basically I'm writing everything in like in well organized way. So if you do a different, if you work on different application, then accordingly you can proper folder structure will be this one only, and you can implement in your application accordingly. So now what we'll do, now I will define one rods. Inside that rods we have, this will be array. So in that array we have to provide different object for different path and component will be to do. This will be to do's, and second path will be completed. Here will show in component will give completed to do's, completed to do's. So now I have to define this two component. So already to do's component is already there, and we'll export first. Then I have to define, this is basic syntax for applying a router to any Vue application. So I will create Vue Router object. I will call Vue Router constructor. Inside this we have to pass mode. If you, I will pass this routes array, and history. If you want to remove hash from URL, then mode we have to write history, because otherwise na, with URL this hash will come. So for removing that one, we are using mode history, or I will export this router from here, and in our main.js will use this router. So before that I have to define one folder, that name will be views. So basically in Vue folder structure, in route we'll put, for routing we'll put component inside this views. So here we have app.view. Inside this we are using to-do list. So to-do list is basically to-do list is basically our home application, right? So what we'll do, we'll in views we'll create two Vue file. One will be home.view, correct? Another will be completed task. Task.view. Okay, so inside So inside router index.js will import this both component. Import, first I have to import home. So home from dot slash will move to here component, no, sorry, slash views slash home. Okay, now second component will be import completed task from same completed task. Okay, so instead of to do's will write for home path, this will be for home routing path, this will be our component, or for completed path this will be our component. Correct? Oh, here we have to put slash also. So this will be our component for completed. Okay, great. So now we'll split our application in home.view and completed task. So what will be inside home.view and what will be inside completed task? So inside home.view will show all the to-dos list. So here we'll copy that one from app.view. Okay, so here so this will be part of home.view. Refresh button is not required. So this will be part of home.view. No, I will copy a script thing also. So okay, first I will copy everything from here and accordingly I will make change here. So completed to-dos is not required here, and refresh button also not required. That's great. So ID will put home. Correct. ID is not required, I think. Okay, now everything is correct. Only what we'll do here, this is also correct. Component key is not required. And path we have to change because now it's inside views. Okay, so I think double slash, if you will put fine home.view. Okay, correct. Our home.view is completed. Now what we'll do in complete task view, what I want to show, so here also we'll copy same file. Later we'll remove all unused thing. So here I want to see complete to-dos only. So here I remove add to-dos and to-dos part, where we are showing all to-dos list. Here completed to-do is computed, so it will filter based on e dot is complete variable. So here we change the name. So here name will be completed task, correct? ID basically we used to write in a small case only, so here also I will change for ID. Now created. Now inside app.view we have to write a router inside, and also currently we already created that index.js for router, but we didn't set that value inside our main.js. So now that we have the router setup, so now we'll make some change in main.js to use our Vue router. So here import create app from Vue, import app from app.vue is there. So now what we'll write, import uh, router from so import router from path we have to give. So folder is on same path, so dot slash router slash index. Okay, so inside before mount we have to write use router. Okay, so now in our app.view we'll use router link to create navigation link and router view to display the component based on the current route. So go to app.view. Here we'll remove everything. Okay, here navigation, inside navigation we'll put router link for both the paths. Router link, two path is there, so I created two router link. So first path is 2 slash, okay, so this will be home, so 2 equal to or second will be to completed. Okay, or this here will show router view. So basically what this will do is, like router link we are linking that similar to, you can assume a router link as anchor tag, a tag. Okay, so if you click here, two link will be created. If you click home, then this will forward to slash link. this will forward to slash completed URL. Here router view is using for, like we are using this, like I'm sorry, where is index? Yes, this one. Like if path will be this component will should come. If path will be this component should come, like that. Okay, so now I'm checking application, refreshing, it's giving some error. What error is it? Dot slash add to do view cannot for. So where it came add to do is not. So here inside, oh sorry, we are not using this, so we'll delete from here now. Also nothing is required here. Inside, oh sorry, nothing is required. Okay, style also we have to delete, later we'll delete. First we'll check by running the application it's working or not. Not by component from where from. Okay, it's giving same error. Dot slash component dot view. Okay, so now we'll go to here. So here path should be this one because we are going one directory back, like this add to do and to do list inside components. We are inside views, so we'll go outside of directory. Okay, then we'll go to components directory. Here we'll find both the, so here also add to do, here we are not using because in complete ask there is no add to do thing. Okay, so I remove this one. Method also some add to do or something will be removed from here, later we'll see that one. First I'm trying to run application, then accordingly I will make change. And define using view. Okay, why is coming now? I'll check. So basically I am writing Vue to syntax, that's why it's giving error. So in case of Vue 3 and Vue Router 4, there is some method create router comma for history. One is there, create web history, I think so. Create web history. Okay, first I will check if it will be not there, then we'll check on Vue Router official documentation. Fine. So Vue Router is there. Instead of Vue Router I have to write create router. This is old syntax. So and here it will be routes and history, it will be create web history. Usage is same, but here now some syntax change in Vue 3. Now I will check once again. No, it's Vue is not defined. Where Vue.use Vue Router. I didn't deleted that one. Okay, so this line is not required now. Now we'll check once. Now home is coming. If you press completed, completed is coming. Means route is working. If you go home, all list will come. If you go to completed, then path also saying if you refresh, it will be here only. Okay, so basically basic implementation is route of router is completed. Now in next lecture, what we'll do, we'll make it like in a good and generic way, like if two, like in header two button will be there for home and completed. So basically logic wise it's correct only. We'll make some improvement in UI and we'll see, and we'll also learn some concept of router. Like router you can apply nested route, dynamic route. Like for example, there will be list of student, you can say. So if you click some student, then that student data will come. Okay, that student data should come, and in URL that student ID will be there. If you refresh, then also that page will maintain like that. So here in case of to do's also we can do something like that. Okay, in next lecture we'll see that. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.